Upgrading or replacing the windows in your Orangeburg home can be a big decision. Not only do windows play a crucial role in your home's aesthetic appeal, but they also impact your energy efficiency, comfort, and security. With so many window options available, finding a balance between affordability and quality can be challenging. However, with a little research and guidance, you can select the perfect windows that suit both your budget and your home's needs. Here's how to choose affordable, high-quality windows for your Orangeburg home. Understand your window needs before shopping for new windows. Take time to assess your home's specific needs. Are you replacing old, drafty windows to save on energy costs? Or perhaps you're looking to enhance your home's curb appeal? Understanding the main purpose of your window replacement project will help you choose the right type of window. Energy efficiency. If you're looking to reduce heating and cooling costs, consider energy-efficient windows with low E coatings, double or triple glazing, and gas-filled panes. Aesthetic goals. Choose a window style that complements the architectural style of your home, such as double-hung, casement, or bay windows. Durability and maintenance. Consider how much time you're willing to spend on maintenance. Vinyl windows, for example, require less upkeep than wood windows. Clarifying your goals will help you focus on window types that meet your needs, making it easier to find affordable options without sacrificing quality. Look for energy-efficient windows. Energy-efficient windows can save you money in the long run by reducing your energy bills, even if they come with a slightly higher upfront cost. In Orangeburg's hot and humid summers and chilly winters, energy-efficient windows will help keep your home comfortable while reducing your reliance on air conditioning and heating. When shopping for energy-efficient windows, look for the Energy Star label, which indicates that the window meets strict energy performance standards set by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency. Additionally, pay attention to the U factor, how well a window insulates, solar heat gain coefficient, how well it blocks heat, and visible transmittance, how much light it lets in. While these windows may cost a bit more initially, they typically provide long-term savings through lower energy bills, making them a smart investment for homeowners in Orangeburg. Choose the right window materials. The material you choose for your windows will significantly impact both their price and quality. Common window materials include vinyl, wood, aluminum, and fiberglass. Each comes with its own set of benefits and price points. Vinyl windows. Vinyl windows are among the most affordable options and are known for their energy efficiency and low maintenance. They don't require painting, are resistant to moisture, and are generally durable. Vinyl windows offer a great balance between affordability and performance. Wood windows. Wood windows offer a traditional, elegant look and excellent insulation properties. However, they require more maintenance, painting and sealing, and are typically more expensive than vinyl. If you have a higher budget and are looking for a more premium aesthetic, wood windows can be a great choice. Fiberglass windows. Fiberglass windows are durable and offer excellent insulation, but they tend to be more expensive than vinyl. They're resistant to warping, cracking, and fading, making them a good long-term investment. Aluminum windows. While aluminum windows are strong and durable, They're less energy efficient than other materials and can be prone to condensation. They're usually more affordable but may not offer the same performance as vinyl or fiberglass. Vinyl windows often provide the best balance of affordability, durability, and energy efficiency, making them an ideal choice for homeowners on a budget. Get multiple quotes and compare pricing. The cost of window installation can vary significantly depending on the window material, size, style, and the company you choose. To ensure you're getting the best deal, it's important to get quotes from at least 3 different window installation companies in Orangeburg. When comparing quotes, make sure you're comparing apples to apples. Ensure that the quotes include similar types of windows, and check whether they cover the full scope of the project, including installation, materials, and warranties. Don't automatically go with the cheapest option. Sometimes, a lower price can mean lower quality materials or less experienced installers, which could cost you more in the long run. Consider window warranties. A warranty can provide valuable peace of mind, especially when investing in new windows. Be sure to ask about the warranty offered on both the windows themselves and the installation. Quality window manufacturers typically offer warranties that cover defects in materials and craftsmanship for a set period, often 10-20 years. A solid warranty ensures that if there are any issues with your windows after installation, you can have them repaired or replaced at little or no cost. Be sure to read the fine print and understand the terms of the warranty before making your final decision. Work with experienced installers. Even the highest quality windows will underperform if they are not installed properly. To ensure you get the most value for your money, hire an experienced and reputable window installation service in Orangeburg. A professional installer will ensure your windows are fitted correctly, sealed properly, and perform to their maximum potential. Look for a company that has experience installing the type of windows you've chosen and is licensed, insured, and highly rated by previous customers. Good installers can also advise you on the best window options for your home's unique needs. Look for financing options. If the upfront cost of replacing your windows is a concern, many window installation companies in Orangeburg offer financing options. These can include low-interest loans, payment plans, or in-house financing. Be sure to read the terms and understand the interest rates and payment schedule before committing to any financing option. Conclusion: choosing affordable, high-quality windows for your Orangeburg home is all about balancing cost, energy efficiency, and long-term value. By considering factors like window materials, energy efficiency, and installation quality, you can make a well-informed decision that will enhance the comfort, aesthetics, and energy performance of your home. Take your time to research, compare quotes, and work with trusted professionals to ensure you get the best windows for your budget and needs.